Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something incredibly exciting to talk about, the highly anticipated Google Pixel Watch 2. Google has raised the bar once again with this innovative smartwatch. So, without further ado, let's dive into our in-depth review of the Google Pixel Watch 2 and explore all the amazing features it has to offer. So, let's get started now. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this watch from Amazon at discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's get started now. First off, let's talk about the design. The Google Pixel Watch 2 comes in a sleek 41mm size, making it comfortable and stylish for everyday wear. It's available in 3 elegant colors: matte black, polished silver, and champagne gold. But what truly sets the smartwatch apart is its stunning display. With a remarkable 320 ppi AMOLED screen and a brightness of 1000 nits, your visuals will come to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Pixel Watch 2 is powered by the Qualcomm SW510 processor, ensuring smooth and snappy performance for all your tasks. Whether you're checking notifications, tracking your workouts, or streaming music, the smartwatch handles it all with ease. It offers 4G LTE connectivity, which is optional, Bluetooth 5, Wi-Fi 802, and NFC, providing you with seamless connectivity options. In terms of compatibility, the Pixel Watch 2 is designed to work seamlessly with Android 9 or newer devices. So, if you're an Android user, you're in for a treat. Plus, it boasts 32GB of storage and 2GB of RAM, allowing you to store your favorite apps, music, and more without worrying about running out of space. Now, let's talk about durability. The Google Pixel Watch 2 is rated IP68 for water resistance, making it perfect for your active lifestyle. Whether you're swimming, running in the rain, or washing your hands, your smartwatch is protected. And when it comes to battery life, the Pixel Watch 2 impresses with up to 24 hours of usage, even with the always-on display enabled. It's designed to keep up with your day from morning to night. And there you have it, folks, the Google Pixel Watch 2, a true powerhouse packed with style, performance, and durability. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy professional, or someone who simply appreciates cutting-edge gadgets, this smartwatch is sure to impress. If you're as excited about the Pixel Watch 2 as we are, be sure to check the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing device. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.